This is how to play a simple and easy part from The Greatest Showman. Here's the easy version of an extract from The Greatest Showman. Let's have a go at learning that together. First of all, let's start by finding C position. Find the 2 black notes in the middle of your piano and then put your thumb on C, which is the white note to the left. Then you can use your other fingers to place on the white notes next door. So now we should have finger 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This song uses fingers 1, 2 and 4. Let's start off with finger 2. Then go to finger 4, back to finger 2, down to 1 and return to 2. Let's play this together. There's going to be a 4-beat rest in between every time we play this riff. We'll play it 4 times in total and I'll count you into 4 to begin with. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.